How's it going, everyone? I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we're going to discuss the Chevy and GMC fuel injection control module, otherwise known as the FICM. So these particular FICMs can be found on various Chevy as well as GMC models. And you can see on the screen all the different kind of vehicles they fit, and they typically are found on years from 2001 all the way up to 2005. This fuel injection control module can be found on the base LB7 diesel engine as well as the turbo variant, the LL7 diesel engine. The location of this module is right beside the alternator on the passenger side of the engine. The first thing I'd suggest doing is scan the vehicle for codes and try to determine whether the fault lies with the failing engine component or a faulty fuel injection control module. If you're having issues with the idle air control, ignition coils, the vehicle runs rough, injectors, cylinder misfire issues, no communication with the FICM, or no start, it's most likely a faulty fuel injection control module. If you've already checked the fuel injectors, spark plugs, coil packs, and wiring, and everything points to the FICM, send it in for repair. Here are some diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, known to show up if a FICM is defective. After scanning your vehicle, visit our website, UpFix.com, and find the service repair page for your particular unit. If the codes and issues match what you're currently experiencing on your vehicle, send it in for repair. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.